is here, ladies and gentlemen, and the coverage of the Southeast Asian Club Invitational continues on this Friday right here at the arena. 2 p.m. It will be Ateneo taking on Malaysia, while the Philippine Army takes on Viet Sopetro of Vietnam. Rina Villamor is the third member of our panel. Rina.
Yes, first up, let me just share to you guys that it was such a relief for me, great relief for me, considering that we speak the same language with the Malaysian squad. I just don't know when I get into their huddle later on, but let's get to know more about the Malaysian team, who humbly said that they look up to the Philippine Army team because they have high standards than the Malaysian team. The head coach, Shiley, who's been with them for the last 10 years, mentioned earlier that they are here to mingle, to learn new style and techniques with their fellow players from across borders. He strongly believes that the key to winning this game or every game is to exert extra discipline, considering that extra discipline makes up for the lack of talent within a team. Coach Shiley is relying on two of his best players, namely Chu Kuan Ki, the team captain, and Yu Suk Ting, the team leader of the team, to step up in today's game. Daki, guys.
We're going to get to know all of those names later as Rachel Andakis gets her first point of the game. 9-5 right now. Andakis nagwa-warm up pa.
Yeah.
Take a look at it one more time. This is the patented Rachel Andakis attack that goes all the way to the back line. Tandaan po natin that the teams are billeted in a hotel, yung Crown Plaza Hotel kung saan kami nag-press con kahapon, ano? Pero the thing is also, the Philippine contingents are also billeted there. So parang international entity talaga.
Mini SEA Games.
Walang uwian.
Well, it's nice to hear, from what Rina said, that Malaysia is actually looking up to this Army squad.
Yeah. But if you take a look at the lineup nito Malaysia, if you take a look at that last kill there, ang dami nilang puro teenager halos ang kanilang lineup dito. They have the 4 veteran national players there. But other than that, everybody else was either born 1988 upwards.
Well, that's right. Coach did mention that they got a lot of juniors to form the squad.
Quick shot. That does not work there. Para dito kay Fei Tian Wong. But again, a little bit of a scare there for the Philippine Army kasi lumalakas na rin ang palo nito mga Malaysians.
Well, arguably, I think Malaysia is rebuilding their volleyball program.
That is true. Service is long coming from Bunag.
I think she had a lot for lunch. that was way out.
Nandun din siya sa press con kahapon. 10-7 right now. Axel is the official outfitter. The Shakey's Pili. Serve almost drops in. Third ball from Torres does not work. So it will be a service ace here. Para kay Wei Hong Che. Wei Hong Che, of course, one of the former national team players as well. Oh, and check that. That's Lai Kwan Lim. Ito si Wei Hong Che is one of the teenagers on the squad for 1993. And she hits it to the net.
Oh, 1993. Yeah. 20 years after I was born.
National team ka na nga nun, di ba? 1993. Kasalukuya sanggol siya. Naglalaro ka na ng volleyball. No, rinatanda na natin. Okay lang yun. Okay lang yun. That's why we're here.
Yeah,
otherwise, you'd be over there. Pwede rin. Rachel Andakis, did she put batteries in her remote control serve?
Batteries not included.
Yeah. Walang baterya yung remote control serve niya ngayon. 11-9 on that service error. A rare one at that para dito kay Rachel Andakis. And now serving, itong si Fei Tian Wong, who has 2 points already across her name here. Running attack. Ging Balse is long, but it was touched at the net.
Well, they needed that from Army. Malaysia slowly but surely creeping back into this match.
Pati itong Army, kailangan nilang, they cannot take any opposition here lightly. Kasi syempre, wala scouting report to eh. Bad reception again, and that touch going across there from Lai Kwan Lim. And it will go out. So 13-9, 4-point lead again para dito sa Philippine Army. They had a 7-1 lead to start this game.
And that was off the service of Mary Jean Balse.
Right, another ace this time coming from Tina Salak. So they have built that lead now to 5 points.
Well, for me in this match, whoever checks their service reception is the one who probably win the set.
Right. Salak once again, that sharp serve again. Hindi may spelling ng Malaysia and she trips up there. So, good effort there pero natisod itong si Suk Ting Yo.
Yun ang mga nakakatakot na injuries.
Oo.
I mean, could be injuries.
Salak going closer and closer to that line, that baseline. Combination right now. Nice take by Bunag, but that's a great attack coming from Jocelyn Teo.
Well, that's actually a good sign for Malaysia that she gets to touch the ball.
This girl stands about 6'1", 6 feet or 6'1", and she can generate that much power. Again, a former national team player of Malaysia. Serving now, here's another former national team player. Ito si Lai Kwan Lim. Palse out of position that time, still attacking. Here's the setup now for Cho. Cho drops it in.
Smart play. That's a very veteran move by Teo.
So just like that, the lead is down to 4 once again, 15-11. Lim serving once again, Lai Kwan Lim. Torres on the reception. Salak, Carolino, that's too high for Mayet. So another rally here by Malaysia.
That's really high. Mayet is a high leaper, and for her not to even touch it.
15-12. Kumidikit na naman po itong kupunan ng Malaysia.
Again, no, it's the errors.
Right.
The errors that are giving the opponents points.
Bunag now in the air for Michelle Carolino. Too near. Look at the power generated by the diminutive Michelle Carolino.